said that there was no way that an enslaved Romani woman could take her slave master to court for her and her children's freedom and win. Yet that's exactly what she did. This is the story of Ioana Ruderasa. Ioana was born enslaved in the Romanian Principality, specifically the Principality of Wallachia, into a Boyash Romani family. Ioana was born a slave of the state. This detail is important. In her youth, Ioana was forcefully and illegally married to an enslaved Romani man of the Broiloiu family of Boiars, with whom she was forced to have 6 children. However, in 1843 it was declared in Wallachia that all Romani slaves of the state were to be freed. It did not apply to Roma who were considered private property of the Boiars. Ioana told the Broiloiu enslavers that she and her children were now free, because she was born a slave of the state. However, the enslavers refused, so she took them to court. The local court actually ruled in her favor and declared her free in 1845. The Broiloiu enslavers contested that and took it to an appeals court. Ioana was required to prove that she was in fact born a slave of the state. She brought witnesses from her childhood to give testimony. Their testimonies were dismissed because Romani slaves were not allowed to bear testimony. So the appeals court reversed the decision and sided with the enslavers, where Ioana did not give up. In fact, over the 10 years of legal documents and proceedings, there's no indication that she had any intention of resigning her case against the enslavers. She argued this case up to the highest court in the land, the Supreme Court of Wallachia. Ultimately, after 10 years, granted freedom to her and her children in 1853. 3 years later, chattel slavery was officially abolished in 1856.